Shatavari health benefits, the Ayurvedic herb for body wellness. Ayurveda, the Asian system of medicine, has long praised the benefits of various herbs for holistic well being. Among these, Shatavari, which is also known as Asparagus racemosus, hold a revered position as a powerful adaptogen and a rejuvenating herb. Known as the queen of herbs, Shatavari is widely used in Ayurvedic medicine to support overall health, enhance the vitality, and promote the longevity. Now, this video will delve into the numerous health benefits of Shatavari, making it an excellent herb for the body wellness. Let's talk about the nutritional and the medicinal properties of Shatavari. Shatavari is rich in bioactive compounds such as saponins, flavonoids, alkaloids, and essential vitamins and minerals. These compounds contribute to its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and immunomodulatory properties, making it a powerhouse of health benefits. The number one is support female reproductive health. Shatavari is widely known for its benefits in female reproductive health. It helps balance hormones, support menstrual cycle regulation, and alleviate symptoms of menopause. Traditionally, it has been used to boost fertility and improve lactation in breastfeeding mothers due to its galactocog properties. Number two, enhance male reproductive health. While Shatavari is often associated with women's health, it is equally beneficial for men. It supports testosterone production, improves sperm quality and motility, and enhance overall reproductive function. Number three is boost immunity. Shatavari acts as an immunomodulator, helping the body fight infections by enhancing white blood cell activity. Now, it's rich in antioxidant content, provides the against protection of your oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Number four is aids in digestion and gut health. Shatavari helps in maintaining the digestive health by promoting the production of digestive enzymes and soothing the inflammation. Yes, so in this manner, it is beneficial in managing conditions such as acid reflux, ulcers, and irritable bowel syndrome (IBS). Let's talk about the number five, which is reduce stress and anxiety. As an adaptogen, Shatavari helps the body cope up with physical and emotional stress. Now, it supports the adrenal glands, regulates the cortisol levels, and promotes mental calmness, making it an effective remedy for anxiety and depression. Number six, improve respiratory health as well. Shatavari possesses exprotant properties that helps in managing respiratory conditions like asthma, bronchitis, and chronic cough. It soothes the respiratory tract and strengthens the lung function as well. The number seven is regulates blood sugar level. Research suggests that Shatavari helps regulate blood sugar level by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing the oxidative stress in pancreatic cells. It is beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Number 8, promotes heart health. Shatavari helps lower the cholesterol levels and improve the blood circulation, reducing the risk of heart diseases. Its anti-inflammatory properties support cardiovascular health and prevent the arterial blockages. The number 9, which is supports your kidney and urinary health. Shatavari has diuretic properties that promote kidney functions and help to flush out the toxins. It is beneficial in preventing kidney stones, urinary tract infections, and other urinary disorders. Number 10, enhance skin and hair health. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, Shatavari helps maintain youthful skin by preventing the premature aging. It also strengthens your hair follicles, reduces hair fall, and promotes the healthy scalp conditions as well. Now, how to consume Shatavari? Shatavari is available in various forms, including powder, capsules, tablets, and liquid extracts. Here are some of the common ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. Number one, Shatavari powder. Mix a teaspoon of Shatavari powder with warm milk or honey and consume it daily. Shatavari tablets or capsules. Take as per the recommended dosage by an Ayurvedic practitioner. Shatavari juice and extract. Dilute with water and consume as directed. What are the precautions and side effects? While Shatavari is generally safe for consumption, certain precautions should be taken. People with allergies to asparagus should avoid Shatavari. Those with hormone sensitive conditions such as breast cancer should consult a healthcare provider before use, and pregnant or breastfeeding women should take it under medical supervision as well. Now let's consider and talk about the last part, which is the conclusion. Shatavari is a powerhouse of health benefits that support overall well-being, from hormonal balance to immune system support. So by embracing the wisdom of Ayurveda and the benefits of Shatavari, you can take a step toward healthier and a more balanced life. And if you like this video and do watch videos related to fitness and health content, please subscribe to my channel and do like to this video as well, and do comment so that I will provide you with the more upcoming latest videos and more informational videos on fitness and health content. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.